Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix MIO, memories in orbit game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your system. Once your system restarts, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, now select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options from. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash and suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to play the game. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the link, and after it is downloaded, you have to open it. Now once the file is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or uninstall option. Click on repair and wait for some time. Now once you get a setup successful message, close this and now restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now after that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, and after adding it, go below, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall MIO memories in Orbit game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now launch Steam and then reinstall MIO memories in Orbit game once again, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen error in MIO memories in Orbit game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.